Hello students, today we are going to discuss the numerical of the all the three chapter of plus 2 class chemistry. So start करते हैं. First, that is a solution chapter 2. First, that is a commercially available sample of sulfuric acid is 15% sulfuric acid by weight having density 1.10 gram per mole. Calculate the molarity and weight of solute is given. Always ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ start करने हैं numerical solve, first we write down the given statement, then write the formula and solve it by putting the all the values and find out the result. ठीक है, यही स्टैप होने चाहिए तीन स्टैप ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. फर्स्ट गिवन स्टेटमेंट लिखांगे, सैकेंड फॉर्मूला लिखांगे, थर्ड ਵਿੱਚ फिर कैलकुलेट करांगे. ठीक है जी. एंड इसी तरह वेट ऑफ सल्यूट दैट इज 15 ग्राम, वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट दैट इज 100 ग्राम एंड ग्राम मोल ऑफ सल्यूट दैट इज 15/98 mole and volume that will give mass over density, it will give 90.9 ml. Volume is given. Next, that is the molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume solution, and put the value, we will get the 1.68 molar, that is a molarity value. Second, that is a concentrated sulfuric acid has a density 1.9 gram per mole and is 99% sulfuric acid by weight. Calculate the molarity of sulfuric acid. Again, given the density is given and 99% solution sulfuric acid by weight means 99 gram of sulfuric acid present in 1000 gram of solution. So density can be calculated. D is equal to mass over velocity. Mass 100, that is a V, that is a volume. So and volume can be calculated, and molarity equation, put the value in molarity equation, we will get the answer, that is a 19.9 molar is the answer. ठीक है. Next numerical है, calculate the mass of non volatile solute which should we dissolve in 114 gram of octane to reduce the vapor pressure to 80%. So first initial ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ, let the vapor pressure of pure component that is a 100 and solute vapor pressure that is a 80 NB calculate करना आपा. PA equal to WA over MA, that is 114 gram divided by 114 gram per mole, it will give 1 mole because the molar mass of octane that is also 114 gram. ठीक है. And by using the relative lowering in vapor pressure equation, P naught minus PS over P is equal to NB over NB plus NA. ठीक है, mole fraction of solute particle. So put the value here, 100 minus 80 over 100 equal to NB over NB plus 1. It will give the value NB 1 over 4 mole. So similarly, both the number of moles of solute, but the number of moles of solute NB can be calculated, WV over MB, and WV can be calculated equal to 10 ग्राम ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ आंसर आ रहा है. ठीक है. सो इस मैथड ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. नेक्स्ट ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ नेक्स्ट numerical है ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 18 gram of glucose dissolved in 1 kg of water. At what temperature the solution will boil if Kb for water is 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. So weight of solute is given 18 gram. Mass of glucose that is 180 gram. Weight of solvent 1 kg and Kb value is given. Put the formula that is from elevation in boiling point is a colligative property, delta Tb equal to Kbm. This is the formula, and molarity can be written as a WB over MB multiple 1 over WA weight of solvent, and put the value and solve it as 0.052 Kelvin. Change into degree centigrade, it is 0.052 degrees centigrade, and boiling point of solution TB equal to TB naught plus delta TB, and it will give the 100.052 degree centigrade is the answer. So next, that is a how many gram of ethylene glycol should we add to 10 kg of water so that the resulting solution freezes at minus 10 degree centigrade. Given WB calculate करेंगे, MB that is 62 gram per mole है, WA weight of solvent 10 kg है, and KF that is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole है, and delta TF can be calculated TF naught minus TF, and TF naught that is 0 minus 10 degree centigrade freezing point of solution, it will give the 10 degree centigrade, and delta TF become equal to 10 Kelvin, and delta TF by using the formula KF multiple the molality term, put the value of all the components, and delta TB calculated as 3.33 kg can be calculated. ठीक है. Similarly, next that is benzene and toluene are nearly ideal solution, that is Rolle's law obey करेंगे. And the 313 Kelvin vapor pressure of benzene and toluene are 160 mm and 60 mm of mercury respectively. Calculated total pressure of the solution made by mixing equal number of molecules of benzene and toluene. So equal number है इस करके number of moles of benzene and toluene become equal to x मान लवांगे ਆਪਾਂ, then mole fraction of benzene become equal to nb over nb plus nt, that is x over x plus x, that is x over 2x, that is equal to half. value आ जाएगी. next that is मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ टोलुइन दूसरी दी कर लेंगे 1 - 1/2 इक्वल टू अगेन 1/2. सो पी बी नोट गिवन इज 160 mm ऑफ मर्करी एंड पी टी अगेन गिवन 60 mm ऑफ मर्करी एंड टोटल वेपर प्रेशर आ जाएगा सोल्यूशन दा वेपर प्रेशर 1 कंपोनेंट प्लस 2 कंपोनेंट, ठीक है, मल्टीपल द मोल फ्रैक्शन एंड इट विल गिव द आंसर दैट इज 110 mm ऑफ मर्करी. अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूमेरिकल, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सिमिलरली एट 298 Kelvin, the vapor pressure of pure benzene is 0.256 bar and vapor pressure of pure toluene is 0.925 bar. If the mole fraction of benzene in solution is 0.40, find the total vapor pressure of solution and also find the mole fraction of toluene in vapor phase. The mole fraction of benzene is 0.40 and vapor pressure 0.256 bar. and benzene the ਲਈ toluene the ਲਈ 0.925 bar. mole fraction of toluene is equal to x1 minus xv equal to 0.6. total vapor pressure of solution, sum of vapor pressure both component pb naught plus xv plus pt naught plus xt and put the value, we will get the value 0.6574 bar, ठीक है. next that is a mole fraction of toluene in vapor phase can be calculated by divided of vapor pressure of toluene divided by vapor pressure of a solution and we will get the answer 0.844, ठीक है. so this is the answer. next question that is the boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin and 1.80 gram of non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene. The boiling point is raised to 354.11 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute. Kb for benzene is 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole. So as we know the relation, so given statement are W equal to 90, W equal to 1.80, Kb is 2.53, delta Tb calculated 354.11 minus 353.23, that is equal to 0.88 Kelvin. and formula is elevation boiling point delta Tb equal to Kb into m. molality की वैल्यू पुट की है Wb over Mb 1000 over Wa and Mb कैलकुलेट करांगे इथों तो सो पुट करांगे all the values and solve it, we will get the value that is 58 gram per mole. so molar mass of solute is 58 gram per mole, ठीक है. next question again important question. The addition of 0.643 gram of compound to 50 ml of benzene having density and lower the freezing point from 5.51 degree centigrade to 5.03 degree centigrade if kf is 5.12 Kelvin per molar and calculate the molecular mass of compound. so ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ क्वेश्चन ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਦੋ टाइप्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ. ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡੈਂਸਿਟੀ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੋਵੇ, ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡੈਂਸਿਟੀ ਨਾ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੋਵੇ, ठीक है. सो ये डेंसिटी गिवन है तो आप की करा पहले वेट वह कैलकुलेट करा, ठीक है. एंड वेट भी कैलकुलेटेड 50 मल्टीपल द डेंसिटी मास एज वी नो डेंसिटी इक्वल टू मास पर टू वॉल्यूम एंड मास कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड डेंसिटी मल्टीपल द वॉल्यूम. सो 50 मल्टीपल 0.879 दैट विल गिव द 43.95 ग्राम. सो Wb गिवन डेल्टा Tf इक्वल टू Tf नोट माइनस Tf दैट इज 5.51 2 minus 5.03. so it will give 0.48 degree centigrade and Kf value is given 5.12 Kelvin per molar and the formula is delta Tf equal to Kf multiple Wb multiple 1000 over Wa Mb. so Mb can be calculated by this, that is a 156.06 gram per mole, ठीक है. again second type है दी addition of 0.643 gram of compound to 43.95 gram of solvent. solvent की value given है and lower the freezing point from 5.51 degree centigrade to 5.03 degree centigrade, and Kf value is given. Calculate the molar mass of a compound. Again delta Tf equal to formula Kf and molarity formula, and calculate the Mb value. WA भी given है, WB भी given है, weight of solvent है, weight of solute है, TF भी given है, तो TF कैन भी कैलकुलेट कर लवांगे ਆਪਾਂ इतों delta TF. So 5.51 minus 5.03, it will give 0.48 degree centigrade, and Kf value 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole, and put the value in equation, and Mb can be calculated, that is 156.56 gram per mole. ठीक है. Again next numerical is a 0.2 molar aqueous solution of cane sugar freezes at minus 0.374 degree centigrade. Calculate the molar depression constant of water, and molarity is given. Delta Tf is calculated as 0 minus 0.374 degree centigrade. It will give plus the 0.374 degree centigrade. Delta Tf equal to Kf multiple m, and Kf can be calculated here. That is a 1.86 degree per minute. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट साढ़े को अगेन numerical है, that is from the electrochemistry. And next this is the electrochemistry chapter. So numerical are first on the Faraday law. How many coulombs are required to produce a 20 gram of calcium from molten CaCl2? Calcium chloride, first we write down the equation and calculate the number of electron, and in case of calcium 2 positive, and that will need a 2 electron to form a calcium from molten state, and 1 mole, that is here 2 electron, it means 2 multiple 96500 coulomb. It means 1 mole or 40 gram of calcium required, that is a 2 multiple 96500 coulomb, and 20 gram of calcium required, that is a 96500 divided by 40 multiplied by 2 into 20, that will give 96500 coulomb. Again similarly from the 50 gram of aluminium from molten Al2O3 aluminium oxide, that will form a 2Al3 positive plus 3 oxide ion, and again aluminium 3 positive need na 6 electron to form aluminium ion. 6 electron means Q is equal to NF, that is the amount of charge, that is a 6 into F, 6 into F, that is 6 into Faraday constant, that is a 96500 coulomb, and 50 gram of aluminium require, that is a 6 multiple 96500 multiplied by 50 and divided by the 54, and it will give the 5.36 multiple 10 the power 5 coulomb. So this is the numerical. Second is the based upon Cauchy's law, and molar conductivity at infant dilution for sodium acetate, hydrochloric acid, and sodium chloride are 91 for 26.2 and 126.5 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse respectively at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the molar conductivity of acetic acid at infinite dilution. Molar conductivity at infinite dilution for acetic acid is equal to molar conductivity at infinite dilution of sodium acetate plus molar conductivity plus HCl minus molar conductivity of at infinite dilution of NaCl. This is 91 plus 429.2 minus 126.5, and it will give the answer, that is a 390.7 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. Second, next numerical is the resistance of a 0.5 normal solution of an electrolyte in a conductivity cell was found to be 25 ohm. Calculate the equivalent conductivity of a solution if electrode in a cell are 1.6 centimeter apart from the area of cross section 3.2 centimeter square. So given L is given, A is given, R is given, resistance is given, L length is given, A area is given. So conductance is reciprocal of resistance, it can be calculated, and conductivity equal to conductance in multiple L over A, that is a cell constant, and put the all values, we will get the K value, and normality is given 0.5 normal, and molar conductivity can be calculated, molar conductivity or equivalent conductivity can be calculated, and here we calculate the equivalent conductivity, that is equal to K multiple 1000 divided by normality, put the all value, and we will get the equivalent conductivity, that is a 40 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. Similarly, next numerical, that is a the resistance of 0.25 molar solution of an electrolyte was found to be 75 ohm. Calculate the molar conductivity of a solution if the electrode in a cell are 1.8 centimeter apart and have area of cross section 3.6 centimeter square. resistance is given 75 and L is given 1.8 centimeter, concentration is 0.25 molar, and area is 3.6 centimeter square. Conductivity can be calculated equal to conductance multiple L over A cell constant, and this can be written as conductance 1 over resistance and L over A. Put the value of the component, we will get the answer. Similarly, molar conductivity equal to conductivity multiple 1000 divided by concentration 1 over 150 multiple 1000 divided by 0.25, that will give it 26.67 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. Next, the resistance of a 0.5 molar solution of an electrolyte was found to be 30 ohm. Calculate molar conductivity of solution if the electrode in a cell are 1.5 cm apart and have area of cross section 2 cm square. L is 1.5 cm, A is 2 cm square, R is 30 ohm. So conductance is reciprocal of resistance 1 over 30. Molarity is 0.5 molar, and conductivity is equal to conductance multiple cell over cell constant. So calculate, and we will get 1 over 40 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Molar conductivity can be calculated conductivity multiple 1000 over molarity 1 over 40, 1000 over 0.5, it will give a 50 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. So this is the molar conductivity based on numericals. Next करते हैं, that is based upon the Nernst equation. Write the Nernst equation and EMF of a cell. For example, magnesium to magnesium 2 positive, given statement is 0.001 molar, and copper 2 positive 0.0001 molar, and copper and E naught reduction potential magnesium 2 positive to magnesium minus 2.37 volt, and from reduction potential of copper 2 positive to copper, that is a 0.34 volt. So first we write down the cell equation, overall cell equation, that is written as magnesium plus copper 2 positive to form a magnesium 2 positive plus copper. Here is n number of electron are used 2, though n value 2 हो जाएगी, and Nernst equation is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 over n log concentration of product over reactant. अगर इतने प्लस कर देंगे तो concentration of reactant ऊपर तो product नीचे आ जाएगी. So put करेंगे all the value and concentration value here. So we will solve it and get the value 2.68 volt. ठीक है. Similarly, next numerical on the Nernst equation, calculate EMF of the falling cell. Copper to copper 2 positive 0.130 molar, and salt which is silver 1 multiple 10 to the power minus 4 molar and 2 silver, and E naught value copper to positive to copper 0.34 volt, and E naught silver positive to silver 0.80 volt, and log 0.130, that is equal to 1.1139. ठीक है. And cell constant, first we write down the overall cell equation, that is a copper plus 2 silver positive plus copper 2 positive plus 2 Ag, and Nernst equation can be written as E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 over n log concentration of product over reactant. अगर इतने प्लस साइन यूज़ किया concentration of reactant and product यूज़ करांगे ਆਪਾਂ. सो ये वाला सारा राइट कर लांगे, एंड उस तो बाद इन्हों सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करांगे. सिल्वर पॉजिटिव तो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल कंपोनेंट एंड कंसनट्रेशन. ठीक है, एंड वी विल गेट द आंसर, दैट इज ए. इस तरह इन्हों सॉल्व करांगे. log 10 की वैल्यू 1 होएगी तो इन्हों सॉल्व करांगे तो वी विल गेट द आंसर, दैट इज 0.25 वोल्ट आ जाएगी वैल्यू दी सेल. अगेन नेक्स्ट, based upon Nernst equation, calculate EMF of the falling cell 298 Kelvin. Copper to copper 2 positive 0.130, and silver positive to silver, and both reduction potential are given here. First we write the Nernst equation. For overall cell reaction can be calculated at a node oxidation, half cell reaction, next cathode reduction, and overall cell reaction. ठीक है, and the Nernst equation can be written here, and E naught can be calculated, E naught cathode minus E naught anode, that is 0.46 volt, and n value इतने आ रही है 2 तो E cell हो जाएगा, that is E naught cell minus 0.059 over log 2 n value log concentration of प्रोडक्ट ओवर रिएक्टेंट. अगर प्लस है तो इतने रिएक्टेंट ओवर प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करांगे. सो इसनों जो सॉल्व करांगे तो साढ़े को आंसर आ जाएगा अगेन 0.25 वोल्ट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट कई बार बेसिक सिंपल नूमेरिकल आ जाता है. कैन ए निकल स्पून वी यूज टू स्टेट द सोल्यूशन ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट एंड इज आंसर reduction potential both are given, nickel the and copper the. Nickel negative value and positive value. No, this is because nickel has a lower reduction standard reduction potential, निकल ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਸਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਿਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਆ ਲੋਅਰ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਹੈ ਦੈਨ ਕਾਪਰ देयरफॉर इट विल डिस्प्लेस कॉपर फ्रॉम कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन द सोल्यूशन इज डिस्ट्रॉयड एंड वेसल इज ईटन अप ठीक है जी। तो ये नाल की हो जाएगा जब सोल्यूशन डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा तो वेसल ईटन होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट दैट इज ए कैन ए कॉपर स्पून सिमिलरली अगेन नो बिकॉज कॉपर हैज़ स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल की है लो हैगा सिल्वर के नालों इस करके कॉपर विल डिस्प्लेस सिल्वर फ्रॉम सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सोल्यूशन एंड सोल्यूशन डिस्ट्रॉयड इन वैसल इज ईटन अप हो जाएगा। सिमिलरली आंसर है कि जो भी ये रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल निकाल के देख सकते हैं कैथोड माइनस है नोट करके ठीक है। तो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल अगर घट है कॉपर जिस तरह है कॉपर का रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल घट है सिल्वर के नालों इस करके कॉपर विल डिस्प्लेस कर देगा ठीक है। Again next that is a numerical based upon the Nernst equation is the 10 to 10 to positive and 0.050 molar and the H positive to H2 platinum in case of reduction potential that is a minus 0.14 volt and then first write down the at anode oxidation half cell reaction reduction half cell reaction overall cell reaction and n value भी पता चल जाएगी सानू write the Nernst equation E cell is equal to E naught cell plus 0.059 over n log concentration of reactant over product। सो इन्हों की वैल्यू सारे पुट करा ई नोट सैल कैलकुलेट करा कैथोड माइनस एनोड कैथोड तो हाइड्रोजन इलैक्ट्रोड होएगी तो टोटल वैल्यू 0.14 वोल्ट आ जाएगी। ई सैल कैलकुलेट करा ई नोट सैल एंड प्लस 0.059 ओवर एन वैल्यू लॉग कंसनट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट ओवर प्रोडक्ट करा इतने वैल्यू पुट करा तो सॉल्व करा इस चीज़ में तो साढ़े को आंसर आ जाएगा दैट इज़ लॉग 10 की वैल्यू पुट करके लॉग 4 एंड लॉग 5 दैट इज़ 0.128 वोल्ट आ जाएगी ठीक है। नैक्सट आ जाएगा अगेन नमैरिकल दैट इज इक्वलेंट कंडक्टिविटी ऑलरेडी आप ये डिस्कस किया भी है पहले कि साढ़े को रजिस्टेंस गिवन है एल गिवन है ए गिवन है एरिया एंड कंडक्टिविटी इक्वल टू कंडक्टेंस मल्टीपल द सेल कॉन्स्टेंट एंड इफ वी टेक द रेसिप्रोकल कंडीशन 1 over r that is a conductance and multiple L over A it will give 1 over 50 ohm inverse centimeter inverse and equivalent conductivity equal to conductivity multiple 1000 divided by normality put the value 1 by 50 1000 over 0.5 that is will give the value 40 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse ठीक है जी। so this is the again based upon the equivalent conductivity numericals। next again the Nernst equation based on numerical again magnesium to magnesium 2 positive concentration are given here copper to positive to copper concentration given reduction potential of copper to positive to copper 0.34 volt and magnesium to positive to magnesium is minus 2.37 volt are given here ठीक है। so cell is given here at anode oxidation half selection cathode that is reduction आप cell reaction लिखांगे आप पहले सब तो पहले फिर overall cell reaction लिखांगे magnesium to magnesium 2 positive plus 2 electron and copper to positive gaining 2 electron to form a copper so overall cell reaction बन जाएगी n value 2 हो गई E node cell that is a E cathode minus anode that is equal to 2.71 volt and Nernst equation can be written as E cell is equal to E node cell plus 0.059 over n log concentration of reactant over product ठीक है। इन्हें सारे की वैल्यू पुट करांगे तो सॉल्व करांगे तो साढ़े को जो आंसर आ जाएगा वो आ जाएगा दैट इज़ 2.68 वोल्ट ठीक है जी। अगेन कैलकुलेट द EMF ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेल अगेन EMF सानू गिवन है रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल सानू गिवन है अगेन बाय यूजिंग द Nernst इक्वेशन आप इसनू भी कैलकुलेट करांगे तो जो साढ़े को सॉल्व करके साढ़े को सारे वैल्यू पुट करके आंसर आएगा साढ़े को दैट इज 0.261 वोल्ट ठीक है ये वाला आ रहा। नैक्सट साढ़े को नमैरिकल आ रहे कैमिकल कनेटिक्स चैप्टर के कैमिकल कनेटिक्स के बेसिस के उत्ते सो ये नमैरिकल डिस्कस करते हैं। फर्स्ट इस तरह रेट कॉन्स्टेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन इज 3 मल्टीप्लाई 10⁻⁻⁸ सेकेंड इनवर्स है एंड कैलकुलेट द rate of reaction when concentration of reactant is 1.5 mole inverse liter inverse। अगर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन है रेट कैन बी रिटन एज K into concentration of A that is a reactant and K value rate constant is 3 multiple 10⁻⁸ and concentration is value here and rate can be solved here 3 multiple 10⁻⁸ multiply by 1.5 it will give the 4.5 multiple 10⁻⁸ mole liter inverse second inverse। Second rate constant for a first order reaction is 4.93 multiple 10⁻⁴ second inverse calculates its half life period and half life period calculate करने के लिए सानू पता फार्मूला दैट इज टी हाफ इज इक्वल टू 0.693 ओवर रेट कॉन्सटेंट के। दिस इज द इंपोर्टेंट फार्मूला, ठीक है। के हाफ तो के इतों वैल्यू आप सॉल्व कर लाँगे एंड फस्ट स्टैप हो जाएगा। सैकेंड स्टैप के टी हाफ पता की जानी है। अगेन 0.693 ओवर के वैल्यू रेट कॉन्सटेंट जी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट की है उस स्टैप के आप के वैल्यू पुट करके इन्हू सोल्व करा तो टाइम पीरियड फिर दोबारा कढ़ लवेंगे 23.43 मिनट, ठीक है। सो इस तरह आप इनू नमैरिकल सोल्व करा। दीज आर मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट नमैरिकल्स। नैक्सट दैट इज the rate constant for a first order reaction is 60 second inverse. How much time will it take to reduce the concentration of a reactant to 1/16th of its initial value? Again, rate constant value 60 second inverse, and the first order rate equation is k is equal to 2.303 over k log initial concentration over remaining concentration a minus x. So put the values 2.303 over 60 rate constant log 1/16 of its original value or initial value and put the value log 16 है। so solve करांगे आप तो it will give the answer 0.046 second, ठीक है। next that is again similar type of numerical. The rate constant of a first order reaction is 60 second inverse, and how much time will it take to reduce the concentration of a reaction to 1/10th of its initial value, and the rate constant value that is 60 second inverse, and the time that is a t is equal to first order rate equation t is equal to 2.303 over k log a over a minus x, and t is solve कराएंगे that will give the value 2.303 over 60 log 10, and it will solve and get the answer 0.0384 second. Next, I calculate 2/3 life of a first order reaction having rate constant 5.48 multiple 10 raised to minus 14 second inverse. 2/3 कैलकुलेट करांगे 2.303 ओवर के लॉग ए इनिशियल कंसनट्रेशन ओवर रिमेनिंग कंसनट्रेशन ए माइनस ए 2/3 ए, एंड इट विल गिव log 3 and put the value of all the component will get the answer 2 multiple 10 raised to power 13 second. Next, that is again the first order reaction is 20% complete in 10 minutes, and calculate the time for 75% completion of reaction. First आप 20% the reaction लिखांगे, and basically basic equation की है t is equal to 2.303 over k log initial concentration over final concentration, that is a t 20% equal to 2.303 over k log initial concentration over final log 100 minus 20, and similarly for 75% like 2.303 over k log 100 over 100 minus 75, एंड दोनों इक्वेशन 1 ਤੇ 2 दोनों इक्वेशन बन जाएंगे तो दोनों डिवाइड करांगे तो साढ़े को है log t 20% दैट इज 10 t 20 10 मिनट्स है। सो पुट करांगे वैल्यू तो सॉल्व करांगे तो आंसर साढ़े को t 75% का आ जाएगा 62 मिनट्स। सो दिस इज़ द अगेन वन ऑफ द इंपोर्टेंट नूमेरिकल है। सो ये सी साढ़े पहले 3 चैप्टर जोड़े है सोल्यूशन इलैक्ट्रोकैमिस्ट्री तो कैमिकल काइनेटिक्स जो चैप्टर है मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट है, तो इन्हों के मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट नूमेरिकल जोड़े आप डिस्कस किए हैं, तो मोस्टली जोड़े है इन्हों के नूमेरिकल बार बार रिपीट होंगे हैं तो वही पेपर के आते हैं। सो होपफुली सारे बच्चों ने नूमेरिकल देखे होंगे, समझे होंगे, सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करोगे पूरी तरह तो सारे सॉल्व भी होंगे तो सारे बच्चे गुड मार्क्स लैणगे। सो ऑल दी बेस्ट टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स फॉर एग्जामिनेशन सितंबर है, दिसंबर है और ऑल द फाइनल बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन। So please like, share and subscribe maximum it. Thank you.